This video will be the cringiest video of your life. Okay, I turned the filter off because I'm a big back. Anyways, this is going to be my makeup routine for you white chicks out there. Okay, guys, so first, I use this concealer under my eyeballs because I'm pale like a duck. But anyways, and my eyes are weird. Anyways, so then I use my blush because my eyeliner is purple. I know, not normal. I picked the wrong color from Ulta. Anyways, this one right here, I just use this brush. It's like for smudge. It literally says smudge. Anyways, but whatever like blush color you use, just like go around your lips with it. Hold up, let me pause the video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it should really change. I know my lips are crusty right now. Okay, and then I use Summer Punch. Because I'm Summer Punch, you know. Summer Punch. Okay, hold up. I need to pause the video. Period queen. Okay. I don't even think I need this, but I'm gonna use it. So it's like this e.l.f. blah blah. Okay, so I put it on. I look like a baddie. I know, guys. My forehead looks huge. Okay. And then I use the same color and blush on my cheeks. Even though I'm not wearing blush today, but I don't know why I'm blushing. I seriously don't. Period. Oh! I fell. Anyways, that is it, guys. Excuse me. Yeah, and then I turn. Hold on, let me turn the filter on. Then I turn this filter on. It's called electric. Bro, I want my friend to come over so bad with mom. But my mom is not coming home until 7 p.m. today, and I have a basketball game tomorrow. And I don't even care because I still want her to come over. And yeah. Ew! Alex said that today, but anyways. Excuse me.